For those of us taking maths in school, today I would like us to consider a topic called integral calculus, and this is the question. Evaluate integral of this dx. Now, when I give us a question like this, what are we supposed to do? Now, before we start, I would like to tell you a number of things. So let's look at this situation. Now, whenever you see sine, you have to remember that sine shears everything. So if you see something like sine A sine B, this is not shearing. That means it's cosine, because cosine doesn't shear. Let me write a variable for you. Cosine doesn't shear, but sine shears. All right, so since sine shears, this is sine A sine B, that means this is not shearing, so this has to be cosine. That's why the formula is cos and cos. All right, so we have the situation now. And that thing again is the formula. So besides the fact that sine shears and cosine doesn't shear, which makes this a cosine function because this is not shearing, you also have to understand that if you have something like this, 2 sine A sine B, this is the formula. So since this question resembles this, so I think it's very good if we just replace this 6x here with letter A, and this 2x here with letter B, and let's see what happens. So now I'm going to have 2 sine A sine B is equal to this. So if the A becomes 6x and the B becomes 2x, I will have this situation. So that means the answer is cos 4x minus cos 8x. So I'm going to transfer the answer now. So this is cos 4x minus cos 8x. Now what we have, so that means 2 sine 6x sine 2x is equal to this. So I'm going to use this answer later. So for now, let me keep the answer somewhere. Okay. All right. So next thing is, how do I bring in 2 here? Because I need the 2. I need the 2 here. So for me to bring the 2 here, I'll simply bring this number out as 5. Can you see that? Okay. So when I do that, I'm going to bring in a 2 inside, then I'll bring a 2 outside. So I see if the 2 can just cancel out. So then this will be sine 6x, and this will be sine 2x, and I have my dx back. So this will become 2.5, okay? So now I have to integrate. Now this now becomes cos 4x minus cos 8x, then dx. And the question is, how do we handle this, like this integration? So this will become 2.5 bracket. Now if you integrate cos, you get sine. Do you understand? So what you do is, after writing the sine, you put a cup under this, then you differentiate this, you get 4 back, you divide by that, minus, you come here to, you turn this cos by integration to sine 8x, you put a cup under this 8x, you differentiate 8x, you get 8, and that is all. So when you're done with everything, you put your constant plus k, your constant, and you have to let them know that k is a constant, and that is all. Okay, so if you have any question at all on this, please pass a comment in the comment section, and bye for now.